iOS 18 is finally here, and it's packed with changes you don't want to miss. From crazy customization to next-level AI, here are 10 features you need to try right now in the beta. Let's dive in. Number 1. Custom lock screen widgets. Now you can finally add interactive widgets directly on the lock screen. Control music, check weather, all without unlocking. Number 2. App Lock with Face ID. iOS 18 lets you lock individual apps. Finally, just tap the padlock icon and it's Face ID only from there. Number 3. Redesigned Control Center. Apple revamped the Control Center. It's now fully customizable with multiple pages. It feels like Android, but cleaner. Number 4. Smart AI summaries in Messages. Missed a long convo? iOS 18 gives you AI-generated summaries in iMessage. It's like TLDR for your chats. Number 5. Home screen freedom. Finally, icon spacing and placement are up to you. No more gridlock. Want an empty row? Do it. Number 6. New Safari Reader Mode. Safari's new reader view can summarize articles instantly using Apple Intelligence. Super helpful for news junkies. Number 7. Improved Siri with AI. Siri got smarter, context-aware, better memory, and now even understands on-screen elements. It's actually useful. Number 8. Notes app gets math plus audio transcription. Math formulas render automatically, and yes, it can transcribe audio notes live. Huge for students and pros. Number 9. Tap to AI edit photos. Edit out photo bombers with a single tap using AI-powered cleanup. No Photoshop needed. Number 10. Game mode. Yep, Apple added a game mode that reduces background activity and boosts performance for smoother gameplay. And that's a wrap on the 10 best iOS 18 features you need to try in the beta. Which one blew your mind the most? Drop a comment, and if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech updates every week. Catch you in the next one.